If I had to survive using just 6 plants, no stores, no backups, these are what I'd grow. They're calorie-dense, nutrient-rich, and can feed you in crisis after crisis. You don't need acres. You don't need perfect soil. Just a few smart plants that do more than feed. They fuel you. Corn isn't just a summer side dish. It can be ground into flour, stored dry, or eaten fresh. It's a staple in survival cultures worldwide. You grow corn for calories. Beans are protein, fiber, and security. Dried beans can last years, and the plant naturally fixes nitrogen, improving your soil as it feeds you. Tomatoes give you both instant meals and pantry stock. Eat fresh, sun-dry them, can them, freeze them, turn them into paste. Versatile, productive, and delicious. Zucchini might be the most underrated food generator. One plant can produce dozens of fruits in a season. It grows fast, cooks easy, and stores well when dried. Swiss chard grows through heat, cold, and stress. It gives you greens all year. Eat the leaves, cook the stems. It's colorful, productive, and resilient. Basil, thyme, mint, oregano. Herbs transform food and protect health. Many have antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. A healing garden begins here. Corn, beans, tomatoes, zucchini, Swiss chard, herbs. Together, they give you energy, protein, vitamins, medicine, and food security. These plants feed you now and protect you later. Download your free 6-plant self-reliance starter guide below. Grow smart, live free.